What are stretcher bar strips and how to assemble them? Stretcher strips are used to make a wooden bar frame for canvases or any fabric stretching. We offer two different types of stretcher bars, 3/4 inch depth and 1.5 inch depth. These strips are sold individually and are made from basswood. As you can see, one of the edges are slightly beveled to prevent the canvas touching the frame. You need 4 strips to make a wooden frame, 2 pairs of each size. In this example, we're going to have a 12 inch for one side and 2 16 inch for the other side. Are you confused what size to order? Let's say you have a canvas that you are taking to travel with and you're unsure what size of frame to order. You could simply find out what size of frame to make for your canvas by measuring the face view and the depth of your artwork. Now let's find out how tongue and groove joining works. They're really smart design. You have to wiggle it into place until you can get as much as you can and use a hammer to secure it. Using wood glue is optional, but is not required. We highly recommend that you don't use wood glue if you're going to disassemble it and use it for future. Now let's see how to assemble these stretcher bars. First, you simply wiggle them into places as much as you can. And then you use a hammer or a mallet to secure it. And the goal is to have no gap in the corner. So to test if it's equal, use measuring tape and cross diagonally measure the edges. For large frames, we use cross braces for extra support. These cross braces are designed to fit right in large frames. Fitting works just like the other small frames. You want to work your way from one side to the other, slightly putting them in, using a mallet or hammer to tighten the corners. Now that you have seen what stretcher bar is and how to assemble it, some tips and notes from our end. Stretcher bar strips are easy to ship because they come in strips. They're available only for certain size, and all the stretcher bars are made one size increment and no fractions. For other size depth like 1, 2, or 3 inch, you can order custom size frame. So stay tuned for our next video that explores custom stretcher bar frames. For more information, visit us on usaoncanvas.com.